Hi everyone, welcome to the Toronto Zoo for Science Rendezvous 2022. My name is Ryan and I'm here with Keelat, our Komodo dragon, which is the world's largest lizard. And today we're going to talk about climate change and how it affects some of the animals. And today we're going to start by talking about Komodo dragons. Komodo dragons live on various islands and climate change is affecting them because of increasing sea levels. Now there's two ways that these sea levels are increasing. One is from the melting of glaciers and ice sheets, which is causing increase of volume of water. But another way is as the global temperatures increase, it's also causing the water temperatures to increase, which causes the water to expand. So with both of these two reasons, that it's predicted that over the next 45 years, 30% of Komodo dragon habitat will be underwater. It's important to protect Komodo dragon habitat because they need it for their survival. They use it for hunting, they use it for laying eggs, and thriving in the wild. Something really cool about Komodo dragons is the way they hunt. So Komodo dragons are actually ambush predators, and what they'll do is they'll lie in wait for a prey item. And when they come along, they'll actually run up and bite that prey item. Now, Komodo dragons have a really high level of toxic bacteria in their mouth. So when they bite those animals, that bacteria ends up slowly killing that animal, and they'll follow them until that animal dies, and then they'll feast on them. So it's really important that they have their space and habitat to be able to do this. Next, we're going to go meet our fly river turtles. These are our two fly river turtles that we have here at the Toronto Zoo. This one here is our male, his name is Orville, and our female is in this exhibit as well. Another name for fly river turtles is pig-nosed turtles, and that's because they look like they have a little pig snout, and they actually use that snout to stick out the top of the water and get a breath of air. Fly river turtles come out on beaches to lay their eggs. Now, climate change can potentially affect this because of increasing global temperatures. Now, why would that affect the fly river turtles? So when they lay their nests, when they lay the eggs at the lower part of the nest, those temperatures are usually cooler, and the cooler temperatures produce boys. Now, if they lay the eggs higher in the nest, the temperatures are a little bit warmer, and those produce girls. So if we have increased global temperatures, that potentially could affect the outcome of whether we have girls or boys. And it's really important that we have both for the future survival of the species. Let's go see how climate change is affecting coral reefs. We're here with our live coral exhibit. So what do you think these are? A lot of people think that they're either rocks or plants, but they're actually animals. Corals have a special relationship with algae. Now, if you don't know what algae is, it's similar to the green stuff that grows on the side of a fish tank. Now, the corals provide a safe place for this algae to grow, and the algae provides nutrients for the corals. Now, one way climate change is affecting this relationship is that with the increase of global temperatures, it's increasing the water temperatures, which is causing the algae to die, which then causes the coral to die. And what this process is called is coral bleaching. Coral reefs are so important to protect because they play such a vital role for species that live in the ocean. They create a safe place for them to live, and even some species of fish that don't live in the coral reef will come back to them to lay their eggs and nest. We can all take action to fight climate change. Some small things that we can do to help with this are turn off your lights when you're not using them. Don't run your tap when you're brushing your teeth. You can maybe plant a tree or some wildflowers. Refuse plastic straws and use reusable water bottles. All these small actions will help in the fight against climate change, and you'll be the seed of change.